Let's talk about the fourth industrial revolution. It is characterized by the fusion of digital, biological, and physical sphere. Let's break that down. Technologies such as artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, autonomous vehicles, cloud computing, robotics, voice activated virtual assistants, and face recognition are becoming ingrained into our day-to-day lives. But to understand the concept, we need to go back in the 18th century. The foundation stone for the modern civilization was laid with the first industrial revolution, which started in 18th century with the invention of steam engine. This first revolution abruptly increased the value of output and capital invested. The results? This led to shifting of hand production process to machines, the rise of the factory systems, and booming textile industry. The second industrial revolution started in the 19th century. The most significant technologies of second revolution were electrical power, light bulb, telephones, and internal combustion engines. In this era, the enormous growth of telegraph and rail lines allowed unprecedented economic growth. The third industrial revolution started in the second half of 20th century. It started with automation of production processes and invention of PLC systems. Within few decades, we saw the invention of semiconductors, personal computers, and internet. We are experiencing the fourth industrial revolution now. So what separates it from the third? The technology is merging more and more with the human life. The information technology have experienced massive increase in capabilities and decreasing cost for several years now. If we look at the price performance curve, it shows us the price performance curve for the processors, memory, and the communication capabilities. It is bringing a whole host of big bang disruptions to all sort of businesses and business models. The things are changing faster than ever. It is well known that it took several decades to reach 100 million users for the landline phone. On the other hand, if we look at the smartphones, we reach this goalpost within few years. Similar to first three revolutions, we are going down the same road of opportunities once again. History is repeating itself. However, the magnitude of opportunities in this fourth revolution is manifolds or far more than the early revolutions. This era of technology is driving a lot of innovations. If we see on the European scale, the number of patents being filed are going higher and higher. On the other hand, if we see on the global scale, we can identify the region, which region is way ahead in filing the number of patents. And let's talk about the investment in these kind of technologies. If we see between 2017 and 2025, the amount which will be invested in this fourth revolution related technologies will be more than 15 trillion US dollar. Being a manufacturer, service provider, system integrator, hardware developer, or software developer, if you are not on this train, you are standing on a quicksand. These new technologies have a lot of unprecedented opportunities for each kind of business and every kind of business model. This is the time to catch up. The right way to understand the fourth industrial revolution is to focus on the technologies driving it. If you would like to understand the technologies such as artificial intelligence, cloud computing services to enhance your business, please get in touch with us. From the initial consultation until the development of end-to-end solution, either it's a module or the complete artificial intelligence based system, we are there for you. Be part of this revolution and grow your business together with us.